friends! Welcome to SuperKidsToys, where you are super! Today we're playing with SpongeBob's pirate ship! Arrgh! We're gonna build it and then go on an adventure! Are you with me? If you are, say, aye aye, Captain! Oh! It looks like someone's trying to get out of the box. It's SpongeBob! He did it! Aww, they're trying to open the map, but it's too big for them. Let's give them a hand, or two. Hi, Sandy. Hi, Mr. Krabs. Hi, SpongeBob. Hi, Patrick. We're here to help. All right, let's see. Oopsie, it's backwards. There we go. Yes. Instructions to build our very own pirate ship. We can do this, right? Oh, cool. Here are all of our friends with their pirate gear. Arrgh! Great. Let's start by opening up this bag. Let's give the instructions here so that we can see what we're doing. Okay, let's open this bag.
They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy.
We separate all the pieces and group them together. Okay, now that we're organized, we can start building it.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony. Stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
The farmer in the dell. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog.
Okay, it's starting to look like a ship.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat.
Build. It's starting to look like a boat.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
Whoa, This is a real pirate flag. You can tell by the skull. You see it? These pieces that are left are for our friends. Hey, friends! We finished building the boat. It's time to hop in and move on to the next adventure.
Yay!
Ah! Let me out! Oh no! Plankton wants to get out of the box so that he can find the hidden treasure first. No, let's go! Hurry, hurry!
That's never gonna happen. I will guide my friends to the treasure before anyone. Here, I have the map. This will help us find it faster. It has all the directions. Ready? Here we go!
I promise, SpongeBob, I will find you!
I think we're here. This island looks just like the map. Come on, guys, let's go inside.
Mr. Krabs, aren't you coming? Oh, yeah, no, I will stay and guard our ship. Oh, okay. We'll be back with the treasure. See you later. Oh, I really have to pee. I have to find a bathroom. I'll go see if I can find something. I will be right back.
2 hours later. Mr. Krabs! Mr. Krabs! Mr. Krabs! We found the treasure! But where is Mr. Krabs? I can't believe he left. Why would he do this? How are we gonna get back?
Oh no. Don't worry, friends. I have something to tell you. The treasure is fairy dust. You can fly. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh yes, it's time to fly.
Whoa! Wow!
This is so fun.
Amazing! I love flying. This is the best treasure ever! Look at me. I'm a squirrel who can fly.
Wow. Oh, wow. Yay! Yay!
Yay! Uh-oh, we're coming down, guys. The flying is over.
What do we do now? I'm coming to get you!
Oh no, it's Plankton. What are we gonna do? Mr. Krabs!
Sorry, kids. I was trying to find a bathroom and then I couldn't find you. Let's go! No! I have lost again, but I will find you! The end! What a fun adventure! Let's clap for all of our characters. Give it up for Plankton! Mr. SpongeBob for guiding his friends to the treasure! Mr. Krabs for saving the day! Sandy, she's the bravest little squirrel in the whole ocean! Patrick for being supportive! And the pirate ship for being super duper cool! Alright friends, don't forget to like and subscribe to SuperKidsToys where you are super! See you later!